What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, we're clearly installing bucket seats. Taking off my Nismo seats off right now. Picked up some seats last night for, honestly, I think it was a steal. It was the seats with brackets and the harness bar with harness. So taking my seats off right now. I'm gonna hide these wires since they won't be used. Gonna delete the whole seatbelt system right here because this is where the harness bar goes connected to. So let me take this off real quick. All right, guys, currently the next day. I just presented them last night. This is what the seats look like. They're NRGs. Like I said, they're pretty light. Honestly, they were like, the stock ones are like 42 pounds, and these are probably about like anywhere from 15 to 20. So, you know, a quick little 40 or 45 pound reduction on the car, which, you know, it helps. And I'm not gutting in the interior or anything. So I'm gonna take them out because I gotta put the harness bar first. And yeah, let me take the seats out real quick. All right, guys, quick little update. Seat belts are off on both sides. You can see these two mounting points. There's one right here, and then the one up top that you'll be using to mount this thing. What I was looking at, I mean, I haven't had the issue right now, but I feel like I might have to cut this plastic so it's a cleaner look. I mean, I guess we'll see right now how it looks. But yeah, that sticker, I'm gonna take it off. And damn, it's hot as balls in here. Look how dirty this car is. I'm gonna get this little interior quick wipe down after. Shit dirty, dusty. But yeah, let's see if I'm gonna have to end up cutting these black trims over here or not. It looks like I might have to, but let's see. Sheesh, I'm sweating. Such a pain in the ass to put this bolt in right here. So guys, if you buy this same harness bar that I have, don't bolt this one first. Do the bottom one first, and then do the top. Because with the top one bolted up, I could not get this to line up. Because this bolt goes like at a slight, like, just angle. It doesn't go straight. So yeah, that was a pain in the ass. But I got it super stiff, super stiff. Now I'm gonna just put the, I don't know if I should do the harness. I'll do the harness bar then. I mean, not the harness bar, just the regular harness. Yeah, let's put the seats back in, line up the seats, and just put them where they go. Just got these in the mail. OEM from Nissan. My girl actually bought these for me for my birthday. They're super cheap. They're like 75 bucks shipped. You expect them to be more, but yeah, pretty cheap, guys. 75 bucks. I'm waiting on a shift boot she also ordered for me. So let me just put these on real quick. All right, guys, so big issue I'm having now with this seat. It's only the passenger side. The driver's side, I know. I was seeing this issue yesterday, even before bolting them up. I was hoping that once they were fully on, that it wasn't gonna do this anymore. So this is the issue I'm having. See this right here? Yep. Completely hitting the door right there. I could close the door, but I have to force it a lot. I mean, not a lot, but I have to force it. This fucking sucks because I just did all this work putting on the friggin' harness and everything. What I'm thinking of doing is, since my girl, she'll probably be uncomfortable in these seats either way, I'll just put a stock seat in here, a black one, for my girl. whenever she's, you know, driving with me, and whenever I go out to you know, race, I'll just you know, take the seat off and say fuck it. But yeah, it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. That means I'm gonna have to put the seatbelt back on, which, I mean, it's fine, I still have it. So yeah, I'm most likely gonna just get rid of the passenger side and leave the driver's side on. So yeah guys, I'll continue this video probably tomorrow. I gotta go take an exam now, but I got the first side in. Sheesh. Alright guys, so it's actually the same day. Finished it up. Dirty ass car. Oof. So here's the driver's side. Also, like I said, my Nismo mats came in super cheap. Looks nice to me. I don't know. Yeah, here are the seats. Damn, they look so faded on video, but like I'm looking at them right now and they're actually like black. But yeah, they look super faded on the video. Jesus. Both seats are in. Sits pretty good. I think I might want to, yeah, I can still raise this. Still has more holes here. I might want to raise it at least one. Let's see. Oh, here. Oh, it's already at the max setting. Well, at least for the front, it's at max. I could still raise it from the back a lot. Actually, I could raise it a good amount from the back. At least raise it like one or two more, and then try to push the seats come forward. Which, what I was looking at it from the bottom, it still has more space. You see this right here? I could use this as if moving it forward. So might do that. Not today, I'm already tired. Might do it in the next couple days on the weekend. But I mean, right now I have slides on. Usually when I have shoes on, my reach is a little bit more short, guys. You know, if I was at least like 5'9", I think it'll be perfect there, but I'm not 5'9". And this side actually closes perfectly fine. See, no extra force had to be made there compared to this side. Look, this side is gonna open like crazy right now. You guys, look at my door panel. That's how much pressure that damn thing is putting on it. So yeah, but like I said, I'm gonna get rid of this side, put a normal seat in, so my girl could be comfortable whenever she rides. She'll probably be uncomfortable in these either way. So yeah guys, pretty much it. Seats are on. Actually, I sat on it. Seems so far comfortable, like no issues. But definitely have to just raise it up a little bit more. I feel a little short on it. That's about it, guys. I'm still waiting on my shift boots to come in. See, look at that. Car looking good though, even though it's dirty right now. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed the vid. I have a log from Martin I gotta upload, and I actually have to send him a log in a bit if I have time. But either way, car looks good. Remove some weight. Let's see if we got some carbon doors for this thing. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.